Hey everybody, this is a short video to show you how to put equations into a Word document or a PowerPoint. There are two ways to insert this. I'm going to show you both. One of the ways, I'm not sure if it will work with a Mac, but the other way that I'm going to show you I know will work with any kind of computer. So you can see I've got a Word document open and I've got a PowerPoint open. The process is the same for both, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you on both. Here's the way that will work with any computer, and that is come to Insert. And if you don't see something that says Equation, come over here to Symbols and click on Equation. You can see this box opens up, and you can see you have a whole new ribbon here with all kinds of things that you can use to edit. Now, you can edit this, I'm going to type right in the box, by using these different little menus. So I can come to the script if I want an exponent. Whoop. I'm going to backspace out there and get rid of that. So if you want an exponent, you can make an exponent if you want. If you want to make a fraction, you can make a fraction. You can have several kinds of fractions. Maybe I want a square root. So here's a square root symbol. Okay, and so forth. So that's one way to insert an equation. And that also works here in PowerPoint. If I come to Insert, again, there's my symbol, and I can make an equation just exactly the same way. There's my design. Maybe I want an exponent. Oh, I always forget that. There, 2x cubed, something like that. I can make my equation. Now, if you have a PC, you can do it a slightly different way to get into the menu, and it's a little bit quicker. I'm not sure if this works on a Mac or not, but I'm going to press the Alt key, and then while I'm holding the Alt key down, I'm going to press equals, and that gets me into my equation as well. And I can make my fractions and everything that I want. 3 over x minus 2x. Here's my superscript. And I always forget to do it that way, but there we go, 2x cubed and so forth. Okay. There is another thing that works, and this works in both types of computers, but once you get your equation started, there are some keys on your keyboard that make this go a little quicker. So for example, if I want x cubed, I'm going to type in x, and then over the 6 I've got that little caret key. There's an x, caret key 3 to make my x cubed. Now I'm going to use the space bar, and the space bar formats it for me correctly. Okay. Plus, maybe I want a fraction. I'm going to put the numerator in parentheses, 3 minus x, and then I have a little fraction, my little slash for fraction. I'm going to put the denominator in parentheses as well. There's another little caret, closing my parentheses. I'm going to hit a space. Okay. Let's see. If I want to have a fancy superscript, maybe I want x to the 3x plus 1 power. X, here's my caret for my exponent. Just put the whole thing, the whole exponent in parentheses, and then when you hit space, the entire thing becomes parentheses. That works in PowerPoint as well. I won't go ahead and show you that again. I just wanted to make sure you saw where the tab was. I hope this is helpful, and I'll see you in class. Thank you.